everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find IBAN number on Barclays app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Barclays app on your phone, and from over here simply go ahead, tap on the account that you would like to see the IBAN number of, right? Now once you do that, this is how the interface gonna look like. You can see your cards and information right over here. You can see report card lost or stolen, etc, etc will be given over. From this section you just have to go to the option of payment settings. From this section you just have to go to this option of pay and transfer at the bottom. Then once you have done that, this is how the interface gonna look like, which show this option of manage your payments. Once you have tapped on that, you will be able to check out your IBAN number of your Barclays app, including the SWIFT code as well as other informations as well. So this is the only simple way for you to simply find out your particular IBAN number of your particular Barclays account in your mobile app. And you can also do it by simply checking out your credit card or debit card, and you as well as the online payment statements. But this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.